Hi everyone. Now we are going to present our project. It's a web application named Public Related Information Portal. We four members developed this project. Myself Panu Prakash, Appala Swami, A. Shravan, G. Anand Babu. We are guided by Govind Rao sir. We are all from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. The objective of this application is to design a web page which displays the information required by the users. This is a classified website which gives the information on various fields specified by the user to satisfy his needs. It basically gives the information regarding various fields like education, rental, real estate, job vacancies, cinema, matrimonial, blood blanks, etc. In the present scenario, a user has to browse newspaper or relevant documents to get the information. He has to consult any agency to provide the information. He has to meet the receptionist there and get the information. This process is wastage of time and we can get a irrelevant data. In the proposed application, a user can access all services at a single place and reduce the time. The system allows easy access to relevant data through well-defined interfaces. The system allows one to search and retrieve the desired information. The time required to get the data will be reduced to a greater extent. Coming to the advantages, the time of the user will be saved here. The relevant information would be acquired by the user in less time without any kind of risk. It helps students and unemployed a lot. Coming to the modules, there will be three modules: administrative module, user module and advertiser module. Administrative module provides related functionalities. Administrator can add, delete, edit, view the details of the advertisements and classifieds. Administrator will moderate the entire application. He can allow or can ban the users if he found to be illegal. The outdated information will be deleted and the latest data will be posted regularly. User module. User will be purchase or sell a product through the system. He can browse any of the available products. A user can view the details of specific displayed item and is allowed to contact the owner of that item. The advertiser. Here the advertiser has to be registered. He can post his ads into the site. Validity and duration of the classifieds depends on the administrator. He can post the ads regarding education, rental, real estate, vacancies, cinemas, cars and matrimonials, etc. We require Java, J2EE, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Tomcat, Oracle and JDK to build this application. Also we require Pentium processor, 1 GB of RAM, 20 GB of hard disk to develop this. And coming to the project, this is our project, Public Related Information Portal. Here these three are our modules: admin module, advertiser module and the user module. Here in user module, user can access the details like education, rental, real estate, jobs, cinemas, used cars, matrimonials and blood bank details. Coming to education, here will be the details of all colleges, top private colleges and the results of the students can also be found here. Coming to the colleges, first of all you have to select the university. I selected JNTU Hyderabad. You want the college admission. You have to select one of the colleges and you will get the course names, number of seats, duration of the course, fee details, course starting dates, etc. of the college. Here in top private colleges, you will get a list of the top private colleges, and if you click on any colleges, you will get the details of the college like this. Coming to the rentals, first of all you have to select the city. I have selected Hyderabad. Next you have to select the location. I selected Kukatpalli. You will get the details and you can contact the person to get the real estate. And coming to the real estate, here first of all we have to select the city. I selected Hyderabad. You have to select a location. I selected SR Nagar. You will get the details of that. Then you can contact the person. Coming to cinemas, first of all you have to select the language. I selected Hindi. The theater details will be displayed like this. And coming to the cars, you have to select the model. I selected Ferrari. You have to select how many years the car used. Here there are only two options, 8 and 4. I selected 8. The details of the car will be displayed like this, and you can contact the person. And coming to the matrimonials, you can view. First of all, you have to select the country. After selecting, you have to select the gender. You will get the details and you can contact them. And coming to the blood banks, you will get the details of all the blood banks and you can contact and get the blood. And coming to the admin module, here admin have to log in first. After logging in, you can add a university, you can add a new college, you can add a new course. To add a new university, you have to fill all these details and you have to submit it. You can add a rental information and you can delete the rental information. In real estate, you can add and delete, same like jobs, cinemas, cars, matrimonials. And coming to the advertiser module, here advertiser first of all have to register. After registering, you have to log in. After logging in, he can add a new university, new college and new course. He can even add a rental information. He can add the real estate information. He can add a new job. He can add a new movie details. He can add a vehicle information. He can add a matrimonial information. Thank you everyone for watching this video.